Hey, Money Magnets, are you ready to get a $50,000 business credit card, no docs, with UMB Bank? Well, no worries. We're going to show you how to get to the bag.
I said, wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Hey, look, we're going to show you one limit that you can get with absolutely no documentation. But you know me, guys, I'm throwing rocks at no docs. So you can get a higher limit if you actually show documentation.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
As a business owner, I know what you're thinking. I need money to keep my business going.
Yeah.
I know I'm coming. They know I'm coming.
Well, no worries. Let's go over to the computer because we got you.
All right.
We're going to show you how to get to the bag.
Let's do it. All right, guys, let's dive into the UMB Visa Signature Business Rewards Credit Card. Now, first of all, anybody can apply for this card, and you can live anywhere in the United States and still be eligible for this card.
But keep in mind that with this card, you have to speak with a banker in order to apply.
Yeah, definitely. You know what? I'm seeing a trend with that, Gloria. A lot of banks back in the past, you could apply online, but now you can tell banks really want that relationship. So they want you to call in or actually come in.
I really think that's good because this gives the banker an opportunity to see what you have going on, ask some fact-finding questions, and put you with the correct product. Now, let's dive into some of the benefits that this card offers.
Okay.
Gain the potential to earn 2 times the points in your top 2 merchant categories each month and earn 1 time the point everywhere else that Visa is accepted. Also spend $2,000 in the first 90 days from the date of opening up your account, and you earn 20,000 bonus reward points, which that equals to about $200 that you can get on account credit for, Marvin.
And you know, people slip on rewards and points all the time, but that stuff adds up and can actually get you some free perks at the end of the year.
So, Marvin, let's just backtrack for just a moment.
Okay.
When we say 2 times the points in your top 2 merchant categories each month, they're talking about the top 2 categories that you spend in. Okay. Like, for example, restaurants, or if you spend a lot on groceries. Just for an example, like maybe you have a restaurant and you spend money at the grocery store to, you know, service your restaurant. Okay. Those are 2 top categories that you would get 2 times the points on.
Got it. Now, Gloria, this is one of the big ones. It's 0% for 9 months after you open the account. Now, this is what business owners, especially new business owners and seasoned business owners, should be looking for, having that 0% interest, even if you have to balance transfer another card or stop spending on your old cards and start using this card to get that 0%. This is really going to help your bottom line out.
Marvin, this is a good way when we talk about cash flow.
Right.
This can help you with your cash flow because interest rate, you know, those look, you think it's small, but the money that you're saving on interest, that can be money you can be putting somewhere else.
And look, it's not what you make, it's what you keep.
Most definitely. And I love the fact, Marvin, it gives you the opportunity to float funds.
Yeah.
What that means is you optimize the ability of your funds with the due date of between the 24th and the 30th days after the close of each billing cycle. That's major.
Yeah. You know, like I had a construction company, you know, I had a net 15 with one of my material suppliers. If I had a card like this with 0%, I could pay that vendor with this card at 0%. And guess what? Now I got 24 to 30 more days to finish the job and float my cash flow.
Oh, wow, Marvin. That's what it's all about. Being able to be strategic and float money.
Exactly.
Okay, Marvin, now that we've given them all the benefits of this card, let's do a quick recap. So this particular card pulls TransUnion and it's a hard inquiry. Yeah. So make sure that your credit is on point.
Now, this card is a little bit different. So if you're under 2 years old, I would stay with 10,000 and under if you want to do no docs.
Okay, let's not forget. If you're applying for $20,000 and if you don't want to do any docs, but you're over 2 years old, you can go for that. But if you go up to $25,000, it turns into a charge card.
Right. Which means you got to pay it off every 30 days. But now, look, here's a caveat with this card. It can go over 50,000, but it'll be a charge card. And also you'll have to show your financials to get approved. and you'll have to show your financials every year to keep that limit.
You know, when we opened our restaurant, we had already been open for like 2 years due to the fact that we were catering before we actually got a brick and mortar.
Yeah.
So when we got that big boy restaurant, this could have really helped us because, you know, $10,000 is major when we're talking about a cash flow influx to help you, you know, continue to run your operation.
Yeah, and then remember, Glo, it was 0% for 9 months. So you can float that money for 9 months and not have to pay any interest.
And Marvin, let's not forget, let me drop this amazing gem. If you're having a hard time and you don't know where to start to scale your business, I know we all need some money because I do. Check out our one-on-one strategy call. Don't forget to book that. We can help you scale your business and raise capital.
Look, we had a new student that joined about 2 weeks ago. We helped him raise $30,000 and they deposited the money in his account within 2 hours.
Wow. Money, money, money. Let us continue to help you scale your business because that's what it's all about, empowering your finances. If you're having challenges with your credit, don't forget, Marvin and I have a AI software that can help you fix your credit and help you fund all your dreams.
And look, if anybody has any experience with the UMB card, make sure you comment below to help the community out. Or if you're going to apply for this card after this video, come back and leave a comment on what your experience was. And if you can't even use this video at all because you're not quite in business yet, share this video with somebody else who may be starting a small business and needs capital. And if you want to learn more about how to build business credit, check out this next video. I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.